Have you ever owned a phone that felt great when you first bought it, but a year later it just didn't keep up anymore? That's the story for many Galaxy A55 owners. And Samsung seems to have answered that problem with its new Galaxy A56. The interesting thing is, this isn't just a small upgrade with a new number slapped on the box. For once, it feels like Samsung gave its mid-range phone lineup a real leap forward. When we talk about yearly upgrades, they're not always easy to recommend. Phones these days don't evolve at the pace they once did, especially when we look at budget and mid-range devices. If you're spending $1,000 on a flagship, you'll notice more meaningful changes year after year. But in the mid-range, improvements usually feel tiny, slightly better screens, slightly faster charging, or just one extra year of updates. The Galaxy A56 is different. It actually brings to massive changes that make upgrading from the A55 worth considering, even after just 1 year. So, what are these two changes? First, let's talk about battery life. Samsung has been promising today battery life for years. But let's be honest, those promises rarely match reality. On the Galaxy A55, you could stretch into the second day, but it always felt like you were playing it safe, turning down brightness, limiting heavy use, or constantly checking percentages. With the Galaxy A56, that changes. For the first time in this series, Samsung delivered a phone that really can last a full days for most people. This isn't just marketing fluff, it's something users are noticing right away. Whether you're scrolling social media, streaming videos, snapping photos, or just chatting on messaging apps, the A56 feels like it has extra stamina compared to the A55. And if you've ever gone through the stress of carrying a charger everywhere, or waking up to realize your phone barely made it through the night, you'll know how big of a deal this improvement is. For many people, battery life is the #1 thing that makes a phone reliable, and the A56 nails it. Now, the second reason is performance. If you own the Galaxy A55, you probably know how frustrating stutters can be. The phone doesn't always feel as smooth as you want it to, even with One UI's clean interface. Samsung's mid-range chips have had this reputation for being just good enough, but never quite excellent. The Galaxy A56 changes that. Powered by the new Exynos 1580 chip, it delivers a much smoother experience. What's surprising is not just that apps open faster, but how consistent the experience feels. Scrolling through menus, switching between apps, using multitasking, it all feels closer to what you'd expect from a Galaxy S flagship than from a mid-range phone. It's not perfect, but compared to the A55's Exynos 1480, the jump in performance is noticeable in everyday use. Even if you're not a gamer, you'll appreciate that everything just flows better. Now, is the Exynos 1580 solely responsible for this? Maybe not. Some of it could be Samsung's optimization in One UI, but whatever the reason, the end result is what matters. This phone feels way faster, way more polished, and a lot less frustrating to use. If stutters on your A55 ever made you regret not going for a higher-end model, the A56 will probably surprise you. So let's recap. Beyond the slightly bigger and brighter screen, the better build, the faster charging, and the extra years of software updates, there are two huge reasons to actually upgrade: the dramatically better battery life and the much smoother performance. For Galaxy A55 owners, those two things alone might make the A56 worth the jump.